Stupid.
Nasty bitch.
Stupid.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy KingSirg.
And so,
you already know we ain't see y'all on Christmas, so I want to tell y'all a Merry Christmas. Even though I'm late, it still count. And then it's the New Year's, so you already know we coming stronger this year. We was slacking last year, but 2021,
we coming back with some banger.
we coming back stronger than ever.
And this Christmas will be.
It's a new year.
Right.
So, new year, new me, new family.
We got the same family. I know that. Carry on.
So, at this point, if you ain't tell me Happy New Year's,
I don't fuck with you.
you in 2020 with it. I'm in 2021. Y'all in 2020 if y'all ain't tell me Happy New Year's.
Can we get a Happy New Year in the comments?
1 hour later.
We waiting. You thought we was gonna carry on?
One eternity later.
You think they done? Yeah, alright, for sure. Hey, what they supposed to do?
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and share.
What? Hey, what they supposed to do?
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification button.
Bang! And now, with no further ado, we're gonna get to this movie. I'm about to teach y'all how to make the best oatmeal ever. Alright, y'all, we finna go to the gym real fast. I'll get back at y'all. We finna go get some gloves and some boobies.
Come on now, dog.
The ski things, not the snowboards, but the
Come on, man.
what's some snow things called? Sleds. We finna go get some sleds.
It's about damn time.
So I'm gonna get back at you.
It's a little bro done the job. You can come get rich with us. You gonna eat or you gonna starve.
These look good. It look like I'm finna rob them. I'm finna tell them to stick up.
Alright, give me the money.
Y'all ready?
Get the fuck on the ground.
This is sticker!
You ain't even vlogging, bro?
Yeah.
When the last time you said something to the camera?
When I was trying to shoot.
So that was a fucking lie.
You said what? Sleds? No.
Oh, alright, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
We finna go in here and rob them. I just spent $52 on 2 sleds. Walmart. I ain't fucking with y'all no more.
Look how big the wheel is.
Look how big your head is.
Dang!
Damn. We finna die. We got a couple more rows. We got a couple rows in general. You already know. Look at that. all the way down there. What you got to say before your first go?
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna win this bitch either way. I don't care.
Marcel, what you got to say before your first go?
I'm intimidated, but not really.
He's scared.
No.
I'm hard, buddy. I never fold. Let's go. We going back up. Oh, nigga, oh! Out of here! Hey, we get, how many laps we gotta get for us to go down standing up?
Whoa.
How many laps we gotta get, Joe?
200.
200? We only got 500 subs.
200. Turn the bar up.
How many we need? Y'all give me 50 likes. I'll go down this tall hill standing up. Just 50. I'll get back at y'all when we get back up. Oh, is that a trick?
No more locked doors! Gracias! We survived! I survived!
Y'all see my top speed? I was flying. He ain't like me. What's up?
Bro, we hit somebody earlier.
Are you serious?
It was like sitting in the bushes like down there. You couldn't even see them.
All right, me and my boy Joe, we finna beat them. We finna race them and beat them. So yeah, we just beat them. They probably gonna say they beat us, but they knocked Joe out the thing, so they cheated. Oh shit! Oh shit! Damn! Oh! Go, Marcel, come on! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh shit! I can't breathe. I can't see. So we finna race, man. This the final go. What y'all got to say? Marcel? I'm finna get up. All right, now I got the speed game. Let's go. On y'all go. Marcel, wait. How you cheating? Y'all some cheaters! You're a cheater, you I just beat Giovanni. He lost by default. He just threw me off. Giovanni is such a cheater.
It's a contact sport.
He is such. This ain't no damn contact sport.
Contact sport.
He just pushed me in, Marcel. All the way over there. He just pushed us off our sled when we raced. So by default, I win. Because Marcel was third. I win by default.
Okay, bye.